So again guys, samahan niyo ako sa prep series na to. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kung saan ko in-end yung last prep. And that is sa Iron Supply, sa gym ni Grant. And hindi na siya Iron Supply now. Spa na siya actually. But wala lang, gusto ko lang maging symbolism, I guess, for myself na it's go time. Na signal na eto na, gawin na natin to. For real na talaga. And ayun, samahan niyo ako sa prep na to. Samahan niyo sa series na to. And mag-enjoy tayo. What's up guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Von Campos here and welcome sa episode 32 ng The Vessel series. Yes, ito na ang endgame, ito na ang final show, and ito na ang last show natin for this season. Lahat ng episodes culminating na to this episode. Napaka-surreal. So today currently, it's one day out or at least hours out na lang. The night before ng aking last competition for this season, which is WNBF 8 na gagawin bukas sa Century Park Hotel sa may Manila. So, ayun, for the past week, since back-to-back shows nga tayo, back-to-back weekends, to be completely transparent, yung ginawa namin, no BS lang. Niretain lang namin yung carb intake and yung steps namin, binabaan lang namin than the usual. So, yesterday, nagkita kami ni Coach, ni Grant, and ni Jen sa Gymzilla. So, nag-pump up session, onting posing sessions. And today, tanning lang and athlete registration kanina. So, it's currently 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. And matutulog na ako. See you guys tomorrow sa show day. I hope may ma-document ako kasi alam ko bawal yung camera. Sinisita, bawal ang camera tomorrow or at least may bayad. Kaya, finesse ko na lang. Alam mo, may bone to pick nga ako dyan eh. Sorry, quick lang. Sana yung mga bodybuilding shows, hindi lang naman yung natural. Well, especially yung natural. Huwag na natin pigilan yung mga athletes natin mag-document ng show. Kasi it's kind of a marketing na rin for your federation, for your show na yung mga athletes i-document nila. And hindi lang naman sa documentation and marketing, overall enjoyment lang din ng athletes and ng mga manonood. So yun lang, may bone to pick lang ako sa show tomorrow. Kasi yung pinanggalingan ko show last week, lahat pwede in terms of documenting, camera, ganyan. Wala lang. I don't know bakit. Siguro dahil may partner sila na photo and video package. But anyway, ayoko na stress yung sarili ko doon. I'm gonna go to sleep, I'm gonna rest well, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy natin to. Last show. Let's go. Morning guys. So show day today. On the way na tayo ngayon sa Century Park Hotel kung saan gaganapin yung WNBF PH8. So nakita ko na yung competitor list. Nasa open under 75 kg. So parang meron yata 7 or 8 athletes. Hopefully makapag-perform ako ng maayos. So again, like NBPH, no expectations. Gusto ko lang tapusin talaga tong prep on a high note and perform ako ng maayos sa stage. Do well sa pagpapump lahat. So yun, kasama ko si Madam today. First time niya ako mapapanood on stage. And very, very exciting. Hopefully, we can do well today. Praying na we can do well today. See you later. Hopefully, hindi masita yung mga camera ko. Okay, so show recap. WNBF PH8. Okay naman. Nag-enjoy naman ako. Kahit na, again, walang placings, unfortunately. But hindi talaga siya nasa cards for this year. Talagang hilaw pa. Especially sa WNBF stage, maraming mga dayo from other countries na high-level athletes. But I would say, no regrets naman kasi I gave my all sa buong prep, lahat ng long nights and early mornings, lahat ng pagda-diet, lahat ng pagpupush sa sarili sa gym and outside the gym, no regrets. And I think I beat naman my previous version. So, hindi lang naman sa stage, but this is my best physique ever, best condition, best muscularity ever. Talagang pag i-compare lang sa bodybuilding stage, talagang wala pa tayo doon. And that's okay. And I guess yun yung pinapa-realize, and I think it needed to happen para alam ko moving forward sa pag-pursue ng career ko or pag-pursue ng passion ko for bodybuilding, I need to give more, lalo na sa off-season or post-season. So, ayun, I still thank God sa experience sa buong prep. Kasi, again, yun nga, parang feeling ko may pinapa-realize sa akin and feeling ko pinapaganda lang yung storya. Kaya, ayun, I guess that's it. For the show, nag-enjoy ako sobra kasi yun yung first time na mapanood ako ni Paula live. And na-perform ko ng maayos yung routine ko, nakapag-post ako ng maayos on stage. Yun, parang lahat naman nagawa ako to the T. No stone left unturned. Pati yung pagpapump kahit na wala si Grant there to look personally kasi meron din siyang competition sa Boston. But nandun si Jen, nandun si Ariel, kasabay ko sa stage again. Nandun din si Joshua and si Lon. Ayan, masaya naman. Talk to friends and overall experience. Kahit na hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. And I guess, feeling ko hindi rin naman ako makakapag-vlog ng masyado kahit na pwede yung camera kasi at the time, I was savoring the moment. Talagang sinusok in ko lahat siya. Tinatry ko maging present and i-embrace yung time na yun. So ayun, the prep is over. Tapos na ang buong prep. Overall thoughts sa buong prep, it's hard. Mabigat sometimes. But I guess towards the end, tinry ko siyang i-enjoy. Tinry ko manggigil. And yun nga, may mga realizations na akong nakuha sa buong prep. It was a humbling experience, more than physical experience. Parang mentally and spiritually nag-improve ako. And I couldn't ask for more. Kaya yun, moving forward, I think kailangan ko pang i-deepen yung faith ko. And kailangan ko pang mas maging dialed in. Hindi lang naman sa bodybuilding but sa lahat ng aspects sa life ko. So yun, thank you guys for sa pagsubaybay. Sa mga tao nandito since episode 1 or even before the series, I can't thank you enough. I hope by sharing my story, naka-relate kayo or na-inspire kayo for whatever reason, di ba? And yun, parang I thank God din sa opportunity na magawa ko tong mga videos na to and for having the passion to create these kinds of videos. And ayun, again, super thank you sa lahat ng nanonood, sa lahat ng nakasubaybay, sa lahat na nag-follow ng series na to. And I promise na moving forward, gagawa pa tayo ng more videos. But yun nga, let me look at my notes kasi medyo medyo emotional pa ako eh. But ayun, for the key takeaways sa buong prep and sa buong season, sa lahat ng shows, ito yung isang harsh truth na nakuha ko is, yun nga, parang I thought everybody cares, but sa totoong buhay, nobody cares. Especially nobody cares about you. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang problema. So kung sa tingin natin, or ako, sa tingin ko kasi, may times na, baka mamaya may paki sila sa akin, or parang I have to perform for them, or I don't have to fail kasi for them, to show them, 'di ba, na kung ano yung kaya kong gawin, gano'n. But in reality, nobody cares, eh. Kahit sabihin mong closest, alam mo yun, may mga kanya-kanyang problema bawat tao. Kaya just do your thing, 'di ba? You can look at it na bad side na parang nobody cares, but you can look at it din na good side na nobody cares, kaya just do your thing. Do what makes you happy. Kaya ayun, yun yung isang key takeaway ko. And second one is God has a plan. Kaya have faith, um, na yung plan niya hindi yun yung plan niya hindi yun yung plan mo. Kaya may magpa-park sa harapan ng camera. Wait lang. Matras ka dyan, sir. Yun nga, yung plan niya, hindi yun yung plan mo. Kaya have faith na yung plan niya, it's what's best for you. So, yun yung pinangahawakan ko. I know may story pa siya na dapat ipakwento sa akin, kaya nangyayari itong mga bagay na to. Hindi na ako magsinungaling na medyo disappointed din ako sa na walang placings buong season. But, ayun, okay lang naman kasi I feel like may plan siya, may story siyang pinapakwento sa akin. Kaya, stay tuned sa story na yun. May isa pa palang key takeaway ako. Na, yun nga, it's not just about the reward, the accolades, and the recognition. Basta mapakita mo yung passion mo, yung resilience mo, and yung purpose mo. And have faith. Okay na yun. So yun lang. Hell of a season, guys. It's over. Tapos na. Last episode, the finale. But, ayun. What's next? That's for you to find out. Yes! Abangan nyo sa channel na to kung ano yung susunod. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, this is Bon Campos reminding you to follow your passion kahit na 0.1% progress lang everyday. Okay lang kasi it will all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. Hell of a season. I'm out. Peace.